Hello everyone. As you can see, today I'm going to introduce the Systems Analysis and Design, Chapter 2, Analyzing the Business Case. But first of all, let's look at some introductions before we go into this chapter. We need to know what's the information system, and what is the Systems Analysis and Design, and who is the systems analysis, and how do they relate it, and what is the role of system analysis in the system analysis and design. Here's the terminologies explanation. The information systems combines technology, people, and data to provide support for the business functions such as the accounting system in the company, the HR system, and the day-to-day operation order process. The systems analysis and design is a step-by-step process for developing high-quality information systems. And the system analysis is a member of the IT department team who helps to plan, develop, and maintain the information system. So what does the system analysis do? The system analysis analyze the requirement of the system and then hand it over to the designer to develop a proper information system for the users. Now, in the system design, there's 5 phases in the system design life cycle. There's planning, analysis, design, implementation, and the final is security and support to the system. The chapter 2 is in the planning phase, while the system analysis mainly focuses on the second phase, analysis. The keywords in the chapter name includes business case and analyzing. So what is the business case? The business case clearly describes the project the company wants to design, provide the justification to proceed, and estimate the project's financial impact. Now, how to analyze it? First, we're going to use the strategic planning and SWOT analysis tool to see how the company's strategy works, and then to use other tools to analyze the project. We go into the next step, which is preliminary investigation. For this chapter, there's some main topics that we need to learn. The framework for the IT system development, which is using strategic planning and SWOT analysis tool, and we need to understand what is the business case and the information system projects, which include the reasons and the factor for the project. Now, the strategic planning is for a company to examine its purpose, vision, and values to develop a mission statement. And SWOT analysis, SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. SWOT analysis is an analysis for the company's immediate market to enhance the company's competitive asset and to grab the market opportunity and to avoid external threat. The business case. What analysis needs to do is based on the project describing in the business case to provide the justification to proceed and estimate the project's financial impact. So why improve the system? Well, the user might want stronger controls. The manager would like to have reduced the cost. And the users wants more support, more information provided, and improve the services, and last, better performance for the system. Now, there's 6 steps in the preliminary investigation. There's understand the problem or opportunity, which is using the fishbone diagram to discover the causes of a problem. Dig as deep as you can to identify the causes. The second, define the project scope and constraints, such as the project's cost, budget, and the budgeted timing. The third step, perform the fact-finding. The interviews conduction and analyze the collected data using the Pareto charts for the company. The fourth, analyze project's usability, cost, benefit, and schedule data such as develop time and cost estimated for the requirements modeling tasks for the next phase and system analysis. 5. Evaluate feasibility to examine the operational, technical, economic, and schedule factors for the project to see if the project is feasible. And then the last one, present results and recommendations to the management. Which is depending on the prior steps, develop a conclusion and report to the manager about if the project is feasible or not. Recommend the expected results of the project for the next phase. Now, who is the key information system people mentioned in this chapter? Well, the key people in this chapter is system analyst, who conducts a preliminary investigation to study the system's request and recommend the specific action to the manager. Which analysis role in this preliminary investigation is to translate between the business people and the IT department. Now let's see the new tools in this chapter that was introduced, the SWOT analysis. For strength, as we can see in the right picture, the strengths and opportunity are both helpful for the company, but the weakness and external threats are harmful for the company. We should try to avoid them. For the preliminary investigation, there's fishbones diagram and Pareto chart disciplines. To analyze or design a new information system, there are a few requirements. First is the purpose of the project we need to demonstrate, and second, requirement summary for the project, and third, the cost, scope, and time of the project that we assessed. And to report to the manager, the report needs to include extra contents, like the fact-finding, which including the interview conducting. And case for action is a summary of the project request and a specific recommendation at the manager to make the final decision. And the project roles to list people who will participate in the project and describes each people's role. An appendix, which will include in the report when need to attach supporting information. Could it be in the interviews or other resources to support the fact-finding in the report? For the summary of this chapter, I find 3 terminologies are very interesting. The mission statement is about the company's strategy, like who we are and what we do is supposed to reflect the firm's vision, purpose, and value. For the fishbone diagram, it looks just like a fishbone shape. Specifically identify the cause of the problem. Pareto chart, aka 80-20 chart, it helps to identify the mean flaw in the system, which would be 80%, so that the analyst could focus on fixing the mean issue and improve the system. The key purpose and topics in this chapter is to learn how to analyze the business tool, the business case using the tools, and to learn how to use preliminary investigation tools to report to the manager of the process assessment. That's all for this chapter. Thank you for watching.